Do I want to take some Solana? Probably I would take some. I love the fact that it's going up. But what is it here? 65. Not bad, guys. Not bad. But I want to see that this is a full candle. Can this get to the full candle base? Can we get to... I think we should go take some Solana, guys. Let's go take some Solana. Are we ready for some Solana here? Let's put some Solana on the desk, guys. Let's put some Solana. I think we bought it. We bought it, guys. We bought it. Yes. So let's quickly go sell. How much of it did we buy? Let's see. We bought some Solana at 40. Oh, we didn't even buy enough. What happened? What happened? I didn't buy enough, guys. But I'm just gonna leave it like that. I mean, there's nothing we can do about that. 48.82. What happened? Maybe somehow I did not tap to make sure it was completely gone, but that's it, guys. It's done. It's gone. Okay, so we bought how much? 48. 48. How much? 48 what? 48.82. Okay, so we want to make sure this gets to 40. Let's see whether this will get to 50. And that will be $1.12. Okay, let's work with 50. Let's work with 50. Let's get it to 50. Okay, so let's go to convert. All right, and we go to limit there. Okay, Solana is here. Solana is here. What am I doing? USDT. We are picking trades, guys. We're picking the big guys today. We're picking the big guys. The big guys are on board. The big guys. And we are in profit right now. The big guys are on board, guys. Let's put 90. Let's see what it will give us. 90. Not yet. Let's see. 95. Would it go? 93. Would it go up? 92. Okay. 921. I just wanted to, what am I doing? 92. 92. Let's make it 93. That's a little bit more than necessary. I think we can just do 92 so that we are sure. Okay, slightly more. Yes, but it's not that much. I think I want to do 0.1. Let's see. 0.5. Let's see. I just want to get it to 50.6. Okay, I think I'm cool. I think I'm cool with that. Let's work with it. 50.02. I'm cool with that. Let's see. 193. Can it get to 193? These are big guys, guys. I hope that this is not going to be a mistake. We have Solana in the queue. Solana is in the queue. Let's wait and see. This is supposed to get to 192.6. Is this going to be possible? Would we get there? You know, that's always a thing. When you are trying to buy bigger coins, you expect it to get to a higher length, a higher height. Welcome, people. Thank you for joining. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We are hoping that this will get to 192. Can it get to is it not 192 I just put there? Can this get to 193? Wow. So what we have here, we have 50.02. Okay, yeah, 50.02. I was wondering what was the amount that we bought that we had to make this 50.02. Yeah, remember, go and see that in our trade history. In the trade history, look at the trade history, guys. In the trade history, Solana, we somehow did not pick up so much. Yes, we only picked up 48.82. I don't know how that happened. Maybe I mistakenly put in the wrong figure. It was supposed to be probably 49.82. But anyway, so 48.82 was all we bought. Hello, people. Thank you for joining. So we bought 48.82 and we made, right? Can you see that? What we made? Yeah, what we made. Where's it again? What we made here is we made 50.02. So let me show you that again. 50.02. Let's go and calculate that in our calculator. All right. So don't forget 50.02 2.02 minus 48.82. So we made $1.20. That's really cool. $1.20. And then we will calculate how much this is. This is obviously more. So we are going to quickly check that out. That is 48.82 times 2.2. Okay, that was $1.20. It's even more than that. 2.4, no, 2.5. Less than 2.5. 4.46. Yeah, 2.46%, guys. Yeah, on our Solana trade, we made 2.46%. We got $1.20 and we made 2.46%.